You got a dryer that's not heating in a normal mode. It's an LG. So let me show you how you can fix that. It's hitting on all other cycle but not hitting on a normal. So you just gotta do is turn off this energy saver. That's it, and then your drive start working on normal as well. It's gonna heat. You can turn on. You can turn off the energy saver on normal mode. It's gonna start heating. Yep, it's heating again. Yep, it's heating now. Yep, that's it. This is the easy fix for LG dryer not hitting in a normal mode.